Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to restore or replace a broken LCD screen on Google Pixel 3a mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is the LCD screen removal from the front. To remove the LCD, we are using a heating pad. Place the front side of the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the screen edges. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the front screen. If the screen has too many cracks, the suction cup may not work. If so, use a sharp tool to create a gap between the frame and the LCD. Then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. Next, lift the screen gradually and disconnect the connector plug by undoing two screws and removing the shield. If you are correct, there is an adhesive strip on top of the connector. It looks like it is missing from this device. If you have the sticky, peel it off and place it while connecting the new LCD. Next, take the new LCD screen and test it before finalizing the installation. Plug the connector and turn on the phone for testing. Check the touchscreen for any dead spot or LCD screen for any dead pixels. Once the verification has passed, disconnect the LCD and remove the new screen's protector tapes. Next, take off the camera holder and earpiece mesh from the old device and place it on the new screen. Make sure it sits firmly, and next place the LCD screen on the body. Next, place the LCD screen on the body and then connect the LCD plug and add the shield by inserting 2 screws and also the tape, which we don't have but you may. Before installing the new LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. Finally, we are adding bonding clips to tie the LCD screen with the body. Leave it for some time and remove it. On the other hand, you can use rubber bands and leave it for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the screen replacement guide on Google Pixel 3a mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.